This is George.k.chamoun, and in this video I'm gonna go over how to make simple shapes like circles, squares, polygons, and rectangles using Inkscape, and I have it up right now. SVGs, scalable vector graphics, and you can also export SVGs to PNG type files. So in this video I'm gonna go over, like I said, how to make circles, rectangles, and stars and polygons. So let's get started. Whenever you look, you open Inkscape, that's what you get, this kind of borders. Just to make sure I can hear my audio. Okay, so the way you remove those borders, you go up to File, Document, so pixels, the units, and when it says show page border, you can, it's checked now, you can uncheck it. This way you'll remove the borders, and you just close this box. Okay, I'm back. I had to got some, sorry for the interruption. So again, this is Inkscape. I removed the border. Let's say I want to make a rectangle. So what I'm gonna do, I come to the left side here, and you keep your left mouse clicked, okay, so you come here and you see the crosshair, you left click the mouse and you drag, you can drag it sideways like horizontal, you can drag it vertical, and you can drag it diagonally this way. So how you decide what side to select it? If you want to select an object, it's right here, this arrow. So whenever you click on it, you see small arrows here surrounding it. There's about 8 arrows. Once you select it, you can look on a side it says W and H. The W is the width and the H is the height. And it's in pixels now. px, meters, etc., percentages. Also, the x and y are the coordinates. The origin, the x, and the y. Basically, what are the 0. So basically, yeah. So this is 0. If you look here, this is 0, and this is 0. Let me make this 0 here. You want to make it to start at the 200 mark and the minus 300. It says 300 here minus. But the main thing is the width and the height, because you can scroll up and down the page and you can move it around. You can on it and it starts changing color. Now it's changed this color. You want it yellow, this is yellow. You want it green. And now let's say you want to rotate it. You want to rotate the you click on it one more time, and if you look at the arrow became a parallel to the sides, and the ones on a corner, they became curved. So now you can rotate. You click the left mouse and you go this way. You see how you rotate it? Transform. You can change the shape of the rectangle. It becomes a parallelogram like this. If you do this, it's gonna move along. So basically it's gonna change shape. This is a parallelogram, you know, and you can still rotate it if you want. Okay, so now let's make a circle. The circle, you come here, there is a circle icon here. It says, if you hover over it, so I click on it and I come here. I don't know why it's doing this. It's been doing this for a while. Okay, let's see. Take from selection. Okay. And the angle here. Horizontally. You can expand it vertical. And if you want it to be a circle, you can click the control. Let me see, control. Actually, the best way is to use the W and H. So if you use pixel height, so now it's a circle. So that's how you make a rectangle and a circle. So now let's make a star. How many corners it's gonna have? Let's say it's gonna have, I want it to have 5 corners. So what I do, I come here, and if you look at the cursor, the crosshair, you can see a star next to it. It means it selected the star it's gonna create it now. So I left click the mouse and I go like, let me change its color. Let's say, let's make it, so this star, it's got 5 corners. Let's say I wanted to have, so a symbol of the sun using the star with many corners. So let's say, let's give it 20 corners here. Enter. And this is similar to the sun, the symbol of the sun. So this is the polygon here. If you click on this, you look at the top and you move over the polygon here, you click polygon, you come down here. Actually, let's make it 5. Okay, so if you look, it's got, this is a polygon with 5 sides. Now you can 5 corners. If you want to add more, 10. So this is a polygon with this one is with 10 now. So that's how you make circles, polygons, stars, and rectangles. So that's it for the video. That was the second installment of this series of creating Inkscapes SVGs. If you have any questions, please let me know or submit them in a comment. Thank you.